Friends, welcome to Haraj World of Wonders. So it has been since 2-3 weeks that I uploaded a video, but today I'm going to do something interesting. I hope that you will love it. Today I'm going to do a speech with the help of PowerPoint presentation. In short form, we will say PPT. So the topic of the speech is Taj Mahal and a Red Fort. So let's move on. Wait. Don't move on. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos. Now you can move on. So friends, now I am going to show you the PPT. I will slide show it so it will be easy to read and understand. Wait a minute. So today I am going to talk about Red Fort and Taj Mahal. This is an image of Red Fort and this is the image of Taj Mahal. This is an image of Red Fort. So the first topic that I am going to talk about is Red Fort. About Red Fort. The Red Fort is also known as Lal Quila. It was got by Shah Jahan and built by his craftsmen. It is located in Delhi. It took 9 years to get constructed. It was started in 1639 and ended at 1648. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was declared that it was a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. The full form of UNESCO World Heritage UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. The Red Fort is constructed with red sandstone and also it is surrounded by thick wall and a water channel. And now a fact. Did you know? In the ancient days, the deep water channel also had crocodiles in them. They prevented the enemies from entering the fort. Now we will go on to the next slide. I am going to give you some information about Shah Jahan. Shahabuddin Muhammad Quram, better known by his regnal name Shah Jahan, was the 5th Mughal emperor and reigned from 1628 to 1658. Under his reign, the Mughal emperor reached the peak of his cultural glory. He was born on 5th January 1592 in Lahore. He died in 22nd January 1666 in Agra Fort. Now I am going to move to the next slide. Now I am going to tell you more about Red Fort. Well, the main entrance to the Red Fort is the Lahori Gate. It opens to the Chatta Chowk. The another name for Chatta Chowk is Meena Bazaar. This place is famous for many jewelers, carpet makers, weavers and goldsmiths used to sell their articles. Here during the Mughal period, the Diwan and the Diagas were places used for administrative purposes. And now I am going to talk you a fact. Did you know every year on August 15, the Prime Minister of India hosts the Indian national flag on the Red Fort and addresses the nation from there. Now I am going to move on to the next slide. Well, at the previous slide, I told you some places like the Chatta Chowk, Diwan I Casas. These are the images. You can see, come a little bit here. These are the photos. Now I am going to move on to the next slide. Now the next topic I am going to talk about is Taj Mahal. About Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. It is situated on the banks of Yamuna in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built it in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Masons, stone cutters, painters, calligraphers and other artists from far and near came and worked on it. Now a fact. Did you know the decoration work continued till 1647? It took 22 years and more than 20,000 laborers to build these monuments. About 1,000 elephants were deployed to transport the material for its making. About Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal died in 1631 in Burhapur, Deccan, present-day Madhya Pradesh. During the birth of her 14th son, a doctor named Guhar Ara Begum. Mumtaz Mahal, born April 27, 1593 in Agra, India, died June 17, 1631 in Burhapur, India. Full name Arjuman Banu Begum. Spouse Shah Jahan 1612-1631. This means their marriage, the living together. The marriage was in 1612. They lived together each other 1612 till 1631. Place of Baral Taj Mahal, Agra, India. Now next slide. More about Taj Mahal. The construction of Taj Mahal began in about 1632 AD. The main complex was completed in 1639 AD, whereas the outlining building and gardens were finished in 1643 AD. The Taj Mahal are famous as the symbol of love. People from far off places come to see the Taj. It is magical to glimpse it on full moon night. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. There are 4 identical minarets, each 138 feet high. At the 4 corners of the Taj, there is a central dome surrounded by 4 small domes. The central dome has a lotus pattern. The main entrance is made of red sandstone. Beautiful gardens with trees and fountains decorate the path from the main gateway to the foot of the monument. Material from all over the world used to decorate precious gems like topaz, coral, jade, onyx, garnet, sapphire and bloodstones were used. Did you know pollution harms monuments? Taj Mahal is an example of this. The white shining marble of the Taj Mahal is turning yellow. This is due to pollution caused by industries and refineries in the surrounding areas. However, the government is taking strict measures to protect this marvelous monument of love. Well, as I told you some gems like for making the Taj Mahal. Do you want to see the picture? I will show you the picture. These are the stones which were used to make Taj Mahal. Topaz, coral, jade stone, onyx, garnet, sapphire, bloodstone. The another name of bloodstone is heliotrope. Just little bit come closer so they can see. These are the pictures. Now next slide. Now I am going to ask you some questions. It is fun time. The Red Fort was built in the reign of Dash. The Red Fort is made of Dash. The Taj Mahal was built in memory of Dash. Now you have to say yes or no. The Taj Mahal is made of blue marble. Is it yes or no? The Lal Qulla was built by Shah Jahan is located in Delhi. It is yes or no. The Taj Mahal is located in Gujarat. Yes or no? Now if you want to see the answer key, I'll go to the next slide. These are the answers. The first answer Shah Jahan, second answer red sandstone, third answer Mumtaz Mahal, and for the yes and no answers, first answer no, second answer yes, third answer no. If you got all these answers correct or wrong, you can put it in the comment below. Now the next slide. Thank you for seeing my presentation. So friends, you have seen my presentation. So I knew that it is not very bit clear to see in the TV. So I will screen record in my laptop so you can see it very very clearly. So friends, I am screen recording my the PPT. So if you are getting disturbed with this panel, I can't do anything. I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to show you. I have put some Red Fort and Taj Mahal and some pictures of Red Fort and Taj Mahal, and the clear picture of Red Fort, about Red Fort, the information, and about Shah Jahan information. For more information about Red Fort, which is also known as Lal Quilla, and about the Chata Chowk, Divanai Camp and Divanai Cas, the pictures, and a clear picture of Taj Mahal, and about Taj Mahal, and about Mumtaz Mahal, about Taj Mahal, the more information about Taj Mahal, and about the stones, and the question answer, the fun time, and the answer of that question answers, and thank you. So this is my PPT which you have seen before. Okay. So friends, as you all see the screen recording, that is how I made the PPT. So these two monuments were built by the same builder, which is Shah Jahan. These two monuments, Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan and Taj Mahal also was built by Shah Jahan. Okay, so now let's wind up. Before winding up, I want to just tell you one thing. This video is the part 1 of the monument. Now, in the next video, I'll be taking 2 other monuments, and that will be part 2. Okay, so now let's wind up. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to share to your friends and family, like my video or dislike it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's see at the part 2. Now bye.